Crayons on the carpet and socks in between. Luna wags her tail, says, let's make it right. We'll clean it up together, make it shiny and bright. The smarty tidy twirl and spin, put the toys back in their bin. Stack the books, the colors gleam, cleaning up's our sparkly dream. Brush, fold, pick it up too. Luna and me and you. Ooh, 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 ooh. No, 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 no. Sort it left, sort it right, put art tools in a box. Fold the clothes together, pair up all the socks. Label jars for buttons, markers, beads, and string. When everything's in order, it makes your heart sing.